Yes, my dear friends, now I am going to explain you integration by parts. There are two methods for integration by part. First method is by rule called as the tabular method, and second method is called Bernoulli's method. So I will try to solve each question by using both way. So if in the examination, if the question asked by using tabular method or just only integration by parts, so you are able to do that question by using this, I mean tabular method or Bernoulli's. But if it is given in the question that you have to evaluate by using Bernoulli's method, then you can evaluate by using this one. So now I am going to try to tell you that exercise 1.3 integration by parts. I am picking question number 1 as solved example. Question number 1 as solved example, which is given in your handout. Evaluate the integration by parts x of cosine x dx. So for tabular method, we have to use Eilate rule. Eilate rule means I is stand as inverse function, I is stand as inverse function, L is stand as log function, A is stand as algebraic function, T is stand as trigonometric function, and E is stand as exponential function. If the question is given as by using tabular form or any method, then I will prefer this, I mean tabular method by using Eilate rule. If terminology is stand like that, then you have to accordingly you have to choose. This is first function, second function, like that one. If logarithmic and algebraic, then you have to choose this first and this second. If algebraic and trigonometric, then algebra first, trigonometry second, like that one we have to. Now I'm going to do this question by both way. So first of all, just I want to tell you by using Bernoulli's method. Bernoulli's method means if any integration which is given as in terms of product form, that means u and v both are differentiable with respect to x. If they are given in product form, then Bernoulli's method is nothing but u, that means write the function as it is, do not change anything, and integrate v. V1 means integration, and start from plus then minus. U dash means differentiate u and again integrate v function, plus minus then again plus and again differentiate u and again integrate v, and you have to keep this one until and unless the differentiation of the u function will come to 0. Otherwise you have to proceed any step up to that where you got the derivative of u, I mean differentiation of u is equal to 0. So plus minus plus and then minus u triple dash v4 plus and so on. So I'm going to tell you that how can I use this one. I am assuming this is u and this is v. Using Bernoulli's theorem method, u means x and v means integration of cosine x. Integration of cosine x is sine x. Then minus u dash, derivative of u, differentiation of x is 1, multiplied by v2, that means again derivative of v2 means integration of v again. So sine x integration. So integration of sine x is minus cosine x plus Differentiation of u, that means u dash, again derivative of u is first derivative, second derivative of u is 0, then no need to write any other thing, plus integration constant. Now just simplify it, x sine x, and minus multiplied by minus is plus cosine x plus c. This is the answer by using Bernoulli's method. Now, if I want to solve this one by using tabular method, so tabular method means if I want to solve this one by tabular method, what you have to do? Make one vertical and horizontal line and decide by using that the given integral, again I am repeating, x cosine of x dx. You have to use Eilert rule for tabular method. So Eilert, I is inverse, no inverse trigonometric function is given, L logarithmic not given, A means algebra, this A. So you have to write x first here and trigonometric term here. Now first term you have to differentiate here up to where you got the result 0. Up to where you got the result 0. So differentiation of x is 1 and differentiation of 1 is 0. And integration of cosine, so 2 times you have to integrate it. Integration of cosine is sine x and integration of sine x is minus cosine of x. Then write here signal plus minus plus and then multiply by this like vertical types, arrow types like that, and then write that one plus x multiplied by sine x. And this multiply this one, so minus multiplied by minus is plus cosine x, 0 nothing, so plus c. So this is the answer by using tabular method. So see that one, you can check that one, this and this integration is same. So you can choose, if in the examination it is not mentioned, then you can choose any way to write the answer of this one. Now I am going to check another example which is given in your handout. Evaluate the integration by using by parts or using Bernoulli's or tabular method. So I am going to explain you by 2 way. Method 1 by Bernoulli's method. Bernoulli's method means you need to check that one. This is u and I am using this is v. So what you have to do? Just u means first step as it is. Integration of e power ax is e power ax divided by a plus minus, and now differentiation of this. Differentiation of x square is 2x and again integration of this part. So e power ax means again e power ax divided by a multiplied by a plus minus, then write here plus differentiation of 2x. Differentiation of 2x is 2. Again integration of this part. So see that one by a square is already here. So integration of e power x is e power ax divided by a, and in differentiation of 2 again 0. So no need to write anything, plus c. Now just simplify it. So x square e power ax divided by a minus 2x e power ax divided by a square plus 2 e power ax divided by a power 3 plus c means integration constant. This is the answer by using Bernoulli's method. Now if you want to simplify, if you want to write this one by tabular method, so what you have to do? Just write this one as method 2 tabular method x square e power x. So you have to use Eilert rule. So Eilert means inverse, no inverse function, L logarithmic function not, A algebraic. So this is first function, x square is the first function. So write a table here, x square, and obviously e power ax is second. So what you have to do? Differentiate up to where you got the derivative of that term is 0. So first differentiation 2x. Second differentiation 2. Third differentiation 0. Now you need to integrate 3 times because of 1, 2, 3 is here. First integration e power ax divided by a. Second integration e power ax divided by a square. And third integration is e power ax divided by a power 3. Now just write the signal here, plus minus and multiply this by this one, this by this one, and this by this one. When you multiply, see that one, this becomes now x square multiply this. So it is x square e power ax divided by a. So plus and minus 2x e power ax divided by a square plus 2 e power ax divided by a cube plus integration constant. This is the answer. See that one? Whatever you got by using Bernoulli's method and whatever you got by tabular method, both are same. See that one? Both are the same answer. So you can practice by using this way. Now I am coming to the exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3. Question number 2. Evaluate by using this one. So x square sin x dx. So you are free, you can evaluate by any way. So now I am going to tell you by both ways so that you can understand if in the examination if it is asked, then. Now if you use Bernoulli's method, then you have to use u and this is v. Now use that one, Bernoulli's method. U x square and integration of sin x is minus cosine of x. Always I am remembering that one. See that one? I am writing cosine sin x integration minus because of minus is here. So always keep in the bracket. Plus minus differentiation of x square is 2x. Again integration of this part. So minus integration of cosine is sin x. Now plus minus plus differentiation of 2x is 2 minus integration of sin x is minus. So minus plus cosine x and differentiation of 2 is 0. So no need to write plus c. And now simplify it. So it becomes minus x square cosine of x minus multiplied by minus is plus 2x sin x plus 2 cosine of x plus c. This is the answer by using Bernoulli's method. Now parallelly, if you want to use Euler method, then if you want to use here Euler method, then just I am going to write here Euler. Just make a table. See that one here? Just make a table. So here I in inverse means nothing. L logarithmic nothing. A means algebraic terms. Yes, algebraic term is here. So Euler method means just make a table. X square algebraic term is given sin x. So now differentiate. First time 2x, second time 2, third time 0. After that one no need. Now 3 times you have to integrate. So integration of sin x is minus cosine x. And again integration of cosine is sine. So minus sin x. And then integration of sine minus. So minus plus this one. Now you have to put here signal plus minus and multiply this by this one. Now use that one by tabular method. Multiply x plus minus x square cosine of x, and see that one minus multiplied by minus is plus 2x sin x, and plus multiplied by plus is plus 2 cosine of x plus c. So see that one, this result by using Bernoulli's method and this result by using tabular method are same. So you can use both way, or if you understand this one you can write by way, or if you understand this one you can write in the exam by this way. But if condition is given, then you have to adopt the rules. Now I am going to pick another question, question number 3. Question number 3, which is given in your handout. X square x sec square x dx. Sorry, not x square, this is x sec square dx. So now you can use both way. If you use Bernoulli's method, then what happened? I am telling to you. Assume this is u and this is v. So by Bernoulli's method, u, that means x, and integration of sec square x is tan x plus minus. Differentiation of x is 1. Integration of tan x is ln sec x. After that one 0 plus c. So just simplify it. X tan x minus ln of sec x plus c. This is the answer by using Bernoulli's method. Now, if you want to use Eilert method, so Eilert means you have to decide what is given or what is not given. I means inverse not given, logarithmic not given, a algebraic term is given. So just keep here, draw vertical line and horizontal line, algebraic term this x, and trigonometric term x is sec square. So differentiation of x is 1, 0. So 2 times you have to integrate. In first time integration of sec square x is tan x, and integration of tan x is ln sec x. Right here plus, minus, plus, and then multiply by using this row. Now my multiply here, x multiplied by tan x minus plus minus ln of sec x. No other term given, plus c. So this is the answer by using tabular method. See that one, this and this answer is same. So now you can understand. Now I am going to pick another example, question number 4 from the handout. Question number 4 from the handout. X square minus 5x into e power x dx. So again you can use both way. So I am going to use Bernoulli's method first. Bernoulli's method means you have to assume this is u and this is v. So by Bernoulli's method, u, that means x square minus 5x and v dash integration v1 means integration of e power x. Integration of e power x is e power x plus minus differentiation of x square minus 5x is 2x minus 5. Again integrate it. See that one, differentiation not finished. So again you have to do plus differentiation of 2x minus 5 is 2 e power x. Now differentiation of 2 becomes 0. So no need to write next step, plus c. This is the answer of that question by using Bernoulli's method. Now I am going to show you, if you are using here tabular method, I mean Eilert form, then what happened? So Eilert means you have to decide what is given first. So make a table. Eilert, algebra, inverse not given, logarithmic not given, a means algebra, this is given here, and exponential, that means this one, and e is given. So because of a is first, so you have to write x square minus 5x first term e power x. Now differentiate up to the given derivative 0. So differentiation of x square 2x minus 5. Again differentiation of 2x minus 5 is 2 and then 0. So you need to integrate 3 times e power x, e power x, e power x. Now write here signal plus minus and multiply this by this way. Now x square multiplied this one, so it becomes x square minus 5x multiplied by e power x, first term, plus minus 2x minus 5 e power x, and plus 2 e power x plus c. So see that one, this and this same. So you can adopt any way for the examination purpose. If you understand this one or this one, you can. Now I am picking another example which is given as question number 7. Question number 7. X ln of x dx. So what you have to do? If you want to use Bernoulli's, then you have to use u and v. So but first method, Bernoulli's method. First method is Bernoulli's method. So what you have to do? U, that means x, nothing you have to do. Then integration of this one. So just I am going to tell you here by using Eilert rule, because of Eilert rule is good for that here. Because of Bernoulli's method, maybe you understand, you will feel some difficulty. So I am going to tell you that one, then I will tell you. Eilert method. A, L, I is not even, logarithmic term is even. So logarithmic means ln of x, and then algebra A. So then write here. Now differentiation of ln of x means 1 by x, and integration of x means x square by 2. What you have to do? Now you have to stop and write the signal plus minus. And if this function and this function same, so what you have to do? You have to integrate, multiply like that one, and again integrate it. That means multiply this by this one. So multiplication of this by this like that one, and this horizontal. Horizontal means integration. So x square by 2 ln of x, and this horizontal means multiply this by this with integration, minus 1 divided by x into x square by 2 dx. Integrate. So it is equal to x square by 2 ln of x minus, see this and this cancel, half, it is coming x dx plus integration constant. So now in simplifies, x square by 2 ln of x minus 1 by 2, integration of x means x square by 2 and integration constant. So it becomes x square by 2 ln of x minus x square by 4 plus c. So that's why sometimes Bernoulli's method, if you want to use Bernoulli's method, maybe sometimes it feels difficult to you. So that's why I am not explaining to you. So hopefully until you understand what is the meaning of integration by parts. What is the integration by parts?